Hi guys, I'm not sure whether the sound quality is good, but the new show on mine is Hot and Spicy Incha. So, bringing off the fact that I'm going to take this challenge up to every next level. So, it's all about Hot and Spicy Incha is about not amount of quantity, but how spicy the food is. First thing to talk about, it's all about the heat levels. So it's going to be Scoville heat unit. ඒ අනුව තමයි මගේ challenges එක ඉතින් මම අද මේ කරන්න යන්නේ Sriracha කියන Pizza Hut එකෙන් wing it challenge එක. ඉතින් මේක it's going to be I'm going to be exploring all the spiciest foods in Sri Lanka, and furthermore if it's possible to go around and see whatever the spicy foods available everywhere. All right, so this is thanking my man Chili Hunter. So from him only I got the real idea. I also wanted to do this concept, but Chili Hunter, definitely Sri Lankans are the way most on top when it comes to spicy food. So let's keep the talking aside and let's get to the challenge. So the challenge should be that if you're challenging or taking a challenge of regarding to this, check the spicy level. So it has different spice levels, and you can go on to. So this is not a sponsored video at any point. This is from Pizza Hut, the wing it, their new tradition of what do you say? What is this? Let me show. So it's all about all the wing dishes and stuff. Yeah, wing dishes and stuff. So it's all about chicken wings, and it's spicy, and it's Sriracha. That's the word goes on. I'll just post it on, and I'll post the link too. The main 3 guidelines should be: we should eat it and wait for 1.5 minutes. Once after eating, you have to wait 1.5 minutes, and you cannot take water while you're eating or while you're enjoying. While at the moment you're counting the 1.5 minutes after eating, after completing the dish, so you have to wait patiently. So when it comes to Sinhala, dish may කැමති ඕනෑම spicy dish එකක් කන්න පුළුවන් එක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. හැබැයි කියන guidelines කිව්වොත් ඔයා මේ කන අතරතුර මොනවා හරි dish එකක් කන අතරතුර ඔයාට වතුර බොන්න බෑ. ඒ වගේම මුළු dish එක කෑවට පස්සේ ඔයාට අනිවාර්යෙන් 1.5 minutes ඒ කියන්නේ මිනිත්තුවකුයි 30කුයි 30 seconds ප්‍රතිකුයි වාඩි ප්‍රසීමින් ඉන්න ඕනේ. වතුර බොන්න බෑ. ඒ වුණාට පස්සේ ඔයාලා තමයි බොන්න බෑ. ඒක තමයි challenge එක. Let's get on started. No more chatting. It's almost 3 minutes gone. So let's go down the challenge. So here's the introduction. So welcome to Hot and Spicy Incha. This is Incha. So let's get on. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Yes, it goes. Final piece. 6:30 and මේ to හයකුයි තත්පර 13කුයි ගිහිලා තියෙනවා මට ඉවර කරන්න. So yeah, more. So 6:30 and it's going to be 1.5 minutes, right? While it's going, so the end situation, finished it, and it's not that hot, but once it goes on your throat, the pepper and the chilies goes on. So 34 seconds. So Sriracha is not that hot, but the Scoville heat unit is on this is between 1000 to 2500 as mentioned on Google. So it's not a big deal. Even I here is with green chilies and capsicum, so it's not a big deal at all. And going 4 more, so it's 1 minute and 11 seconds. Nineteen, 20, 21, 22, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there you go, 1 minute and 30 seconds I had to wait. Keeps a burning bit. So this is a hot and spicy Incha. So talking about the product, this is from PCS Qty, which is known as meat, which is all about chicken wings, and the amount of pieces which I took is 12 pieces, and let's see, this is it. So if you are up to the challenge, get on and let me know. Catch you up soon.